The 3014D 14-gun safe is from the newest family of Honeywell executive gun safes, featuring built-in temperature and humidity monitoring displays. These are the first gun safes that have an external temperature and humidity gauge to easily view the safe's internal conditions without having to unlock and open the safe. The conveniently located gauge includes a backlight button for viewing in low light conditions. There is also a button that allows you to display the internal temperature in either Celsius or Fahrenheit. The exterior is finished with a durable scratch-resistant powder coating to keep your safe looking good for years to come. The 3014D features a programmable digital lock that allows you to program 2 different 3 to 8-digit user codes. This safe also comes with 2 override access keys in case the user codes are forgotten or the electronics fail. It has an attractive solid steel spindle style handle with rubber grips. When the safe is locked, the door is secured with 3 steel 1-inch live locking door bolts and 3 deadbolts. The interior of the safe is carpeted and designed with an adjustable removable shelf and gun rack that fits 14 guns. It also comes with a removable key-lock steel ammunition box with a convenient carrying handle. In addition to protection from theft, this executive gun safe features an ETL-rated 30-minute fire protection up to 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. For added security, Honeywell executive gun safes are built with pre-drilled mounting holes and include a bolt-down hardware kit. They also come with 1 AAA and 4 AA batteries, so the lock and gauge can be used right out of the box. The 3014D is only one of 4 different sizes. These new Honeywell executive gun safes are also available in 18, 24, and 32 gun sizes. The 3018 features an adjustable removable 18-gun rack. The 3024 features an adjustable removable 24-gun rack and 3 adjustable removable shelves. The 3032 features an adjustable removable 32-gun rack and 4 adjustable removable shelves. All 4 sizes are also available with combination dial locks. Like all Honeywell gun safes, these executive gun safes are supported with an industry-leading 7-year warranty.